Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a case for your Galaxy Z Flip 5. But before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Flip 5. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Spigen Air Skin case that I decided to pick up from Amazon. I was just looking on Amazon for some cases and wanted to give this a try. You already know Spigen makes some of the best cases out there, so I don't expect anything different. In this video, we'll make sure everything lines up. Does it fit well? Does it add bulk to your phone? Can you wireless charge? Does everything line up? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. But let's go ahead and get this started. Same packaging from Spigen. They've been doing this packaging for years now. Plain and simple, to the point. Looks really good. You can get this case in different colors. I will have the links in the description. But it is a two-piece case, I believe. Or maybe one piece, I'm not sure. Let's see. It is a two-piece case. So you have this hard plastic in the back. And then you have, this little front piece here. It's plastic too, but it's just not as rich as the other one. You do have some pull tabs there, adhesive strips, so let me go ahead and pull those off. You also get in here some instructions. You get extra little stickers too. But let's pull these off. Alright, so I was able to pull it off. Let's see how this thing fits. You want to make sure it's lined up well. Then what I like to do when I'm installing these is just press them on there good. The adhesive strips, it limits how much you can take them off, but you do get extra ones. But there you go. Now this case doesn't add bulk. I mean, that's why they say it's the Air Skin. Because it's basically almost like a skin on your phone. I mean, it's very thin. It protects it. Look at you get the lip action around the whole screen there. Plus the camera protection there too. So you have good lip action around your covered display or external display. But you also have camera protection there. When you open it up, you don't get much protection, but everything lines up. You have a lot of room for your charging port. You have your microphone at the top. The power button is easy to get to. It's not in the way. Volume rockers also are open there. So, easy to get to. It doesn't cause problems. But look at that look. So that's how it looks when you have it open. But definitely a nice feeling case. It feels like you almost don't have a case. You don't have the hinge protection, so if that's important to you, then you may not want to get this case. The overall fit is good. Not bad at all. Again, this little piece kind of, not really, look. Once you have the adhesive strips on there good, I was pulling this down some, but it's on there now. See, I pulled it there. I have to really pull it to get it apart, but if you open it and closing it, you can tell that the case doesn't move around at all. So that definitely a nice, it's minimalistic case, It's not one of the heavy duty ones that you can get from other companies. You can wireless charge without any problems too, which is a great thing. But if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.